Hello and welcome to another episode of the Aviation Showcase in Lisbon. We're at GSE Expo Europe this time and I am joined by Cannon from Asara Equipment. So firstly, Cannon, thank you very much for taking some time to speak to me this morning.
Thank you so much being here. Nice being here.
You're going to show me around the brand new AET20 baggage tractor, which of course stands for Asara Equipment Tractor 20-ton pulling capacity. Why don't we start at the very front where we've got the cabin? Just walk me through some of the specifications and some of the new features in this new tractor.
To make everyone having this tow tractor, but how we are specialized, how we are better than others is like the main one of the function is like we have a curved glasses here, which is to make sure that the blind spots are zero blind spots we get here, and then we have guards here. This is the one, and we have the vehicle which comes in here. We have here the tiltable steering column we have, and we have the test switch functions, which gives the operators can diagnose the functionality. Every function is working in a single switches, and then they can take for the operations. When I come back here, we have the new version of the aviation industry having a battery swapping system on the sideways, where you can pull out the batteries on the sideways, and you can keep it for charging the battery, take the equipment, put that for the operations. By this, you can the utilization of the vehicle is double the time what the others are making. So this is one of the key features for the aviation industry we brought in this segment, where the customers are very happy and the utilization is more and twice.
And I can see it's an 80-volt system.
Yeah, it's an 80-volt system, and we have options of a lithium-ion battery as well as we have option of a lead-acid battery. What the customers wants is we can give them the choice of to the customers this one. And when I talked about the tires, so where normally customers were using it up with the solid tires for the aviation, and where it has a little bit we need a more cushions, suspension circuit. We are using first in class of the aperture tire for this segment, where the driver gets more fatigue. He can use for long hours, so he can drive that.
And of course, some of the other features, obviously. You've got anti-inching and collision technologies,
yes,
obviously to improve safety when you're using the vehicle.
So we have in this, there is a Jetman pedals out there where where the operator can remove that, and it can stop the vehicles. And we have anti-collision systems where the vehicle stops it up automatically. Those kind of features are there in this machine.
So that's the front compartment. Obviously, you show me the battery here. Why don't we have a look around the back of the vehicle and you can show me some of the other features?
Sure. See, when you look at the vehicles, the more important factor is the maintenance. So we have made such a way that they can get ample of spaces for maintenance, and easily they can identify the components, and they can open up these doors, and they can do maintenance at the motors and the accumulators. Whereas you don't need to really have a cockpit where you go down and then do maintenance. So we have everything accessibility here. You can do it up, and even if you want to do some night operations, we have lights out there. We can do all this. This is kept mainly the maintenance perspective, where customers can get ease of access. Easily they can do. This is what the back side we have made, and we are using the Zappi controller here, and we are using all the DC-DC twice converters. So in case of emergency, if traction doesn't work, so they can replace the DC-DC and they can use it for operations. So this way.
And in terms of the company, obviously you've got quite a big foothold in the Indian market at the moment, but you're looking to expand with this particular tractor and other of your electric vehicles. It's mainly Southeast Asia, isn't it, that you're also looking to expand into, and later North America too?
See, currently we are more focused on South Asian market. Now we were the first company in India where came to the Europe, and we put up our products, and then we wanted to show to the global players where they can look at the product, touch and feel the product. They can buy it. We are looking for expanding for the global market. By 2025, we wanted to go global. African market, Latin America, North America, and Europe as well. And we have been, working with various guys also to be our channel partners. So we are signing up some of the channel partners in Southeast Asian market, in Latin America. So we are working with some guys in Europe to for the Latin and European market too. Yes.
And obviously the AET20 is part of a series of electric baggage tractors you have with different pulling capacity.
Yes.
Those other tractors, do they come equipped with the exact same layout and functionalities and features, or are they slightly different depending on obviously their pulling capacity?
Yeah, we have different ranges. It starts from a 5-ton capacity where you can use it on the cargoes, where inside the warehouses to move a smaller equipments, and 1 trolleys or the last baggages where you can go and feed the aircraft. And we have a 10-ton capacity where you can use it for moving the non-motorized equipments on the apron area from one bay to other area. And we have 15-ton capacity where it be useful for lighter applications. And then 20 and 25-ton we have having it for the cargo and lighter cargo and the baggage tractors. So, but the architecture remained the same, but the application is according to customers can be customized. That's our most solution for the customers.
Well, listen, Canon, thank you very much for taking some time to speak to me about the new AET20 electric tractor. It's also been great to learn a bit about Asara equipment and your future plans. So thank you very much.